Imagine a planet so massive it could swallow every other planet in the solar system and still have room for more. A world with storms bigger than Earth, radiation belts that could kill in minutes, and moons that might be hiding alien oceans beneath their icy crusts. This isn't science fiction. This is Jupiter. And what we've discovered will leave you speechless. In the endless dark of space, one planet stands as a giant among worlds, bigger than all the other planets combined, a gas titan so massive it bends the very fabric of our solar system. This is Jupiter. It's not just the largest planet in our solar system, it's a monster. A planet so big, you could fit 1,300 Earths inside. But size isn't the only thing that makes Jupiter extraordinary. From its deadly radiation belts to its raging storms and dozens of strange moons, Jupiter is a world of chaos, beauty, and power. 4.6 billion years ago, the Sun ignited in a burst of nuclear fusion. Around it, a disk of gas and dust began to swirl. Within that disk, Jupiter was born. Formed first and formed fast, Jupiter devoured most of the leftover gas. Becoming a failed star, stopped just short of achieving nuclear fusion itself. If Jupiter had grown just 80 times larger, we might be orbiting a binary sun. Jupiter isn't solid like Earth. Beneath its colorful clouds lies a world of crushing pressure, where hydrogen gas becomes liquid and, deeper still, transforms into metallic hydrogen. A strange, exotic state of matter that can conduct electricity and generates Jupiter's immense magnetic field, the largest in the solar system and at the core. Scientists believe there may be a solid rocky heart, or something stranger, a slushy hot soup of elements under unimaginable pressure. It's larger than Earth, older than any storm in human history, and it's been raging for centuries without ever stopping. Welcome to the Great Red Spot, the most powerful storm in the solar system. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm system on Jupiter, a swirling anticyclone twice the size of Earth. It rotates counterclockwise in the planet's southern hemisphere, with winds reaching over 430 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most Category 5 hurricanes on Earth. But unlike Earth's storms, which last days or weeks, this one has lasted for at least 350 years, and maybe much longer. The earliest confirmed observation of the Great Red Spot comes from Giovanni Cassini in 1665, but even then, it was already enormous. Since then, astronomers have been watching and wondering, what keeps it going? Why is it shrinking? And will it ever die? The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure system, the opposite of hurricanes on Earth. It towers up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles, above Jupiter's cloud tops and digs deep into the planet's dense atmosphere. It's flanked by powerful jet streams, one moving eastward, the other westward, locking the storm in place and feeding its energy. And while Earth's atmosphere is limited to a thin shell, Jupiter's atmosphere is hundreds of kilometers deep, providing endless fuel for its massive storms. No one knows exactly why the Great Red Spot is red. Some scientists believe the color comes from complex chemical reactions involving sulfur, phosphorus, and solar ultraviolet radiation. These reactions may create chromophores, colorful compounds in the upper atmosphere that tint the clouds. But it's still a mystery. In fact, depending on how deep we look, the storm appears in shades ranging from pale orange to deep crimson. Over the last 150 years, the Great Red Spot has been shrinking. In the late 1800s, it measured about 40,000 kilometers wide. Today, it's less than 16,000 kilometers across and still getting smaller. No one is sure why or whether it's a sign the storm is weakening or evolving. Some researchers think it may vanish within our lifetime, while others believe it could stabilize or transform into a new kind of vortex entirely. Thanks to NASA's Juno spacecraft, orbiting Jupiter since 2016, we've gotten our closest look ever at the Great Red Spot. Juno revealed that the storm reaches at least 300 kilometers deep, far deeper than we imagined, and possibly even deeper still. It also confirmed that Jupiter's atmosphere is far more complex, with stacked storms, swirling bands, and magnetic fields that interact in ways we still don't fully understand. The Great Red Spot is more than a storm. It's a symbol, a monument to the raw, chaotic power of nature on a planetary scale. It's a mystery that has outlasted empires, survived revolutions in science, and continues to challenge our understanding of weather, physics, and the universe. One day, it may fade, but for now, it rages on, silently, endlessly, majestically. This is Jupiter's Great Red Spot, the eternal storm. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Jupiter's most iconic feature, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a journey through space. Moving on. Orbiting Jupiter are over 90 moons, and 4 of them are among the most fascinating worlds in the solar system. Io, the most volcanically active body in existence, its surface constantly reshaped by rivers of lava. Europa, an icy world with a liquid ocean beneath, an ocean that could hold more water than all of Earth's combined, and perhaps life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury, and it has its own magnetic field. Callisto, ancient, cratered, and quiet, a relic from the early solar system. Each of these moons is a world unto itself, and potential destinations for future missions, and maybe even human colonization. Jupiter isn't just a marvel, it's also a menace. Its radiation belts are a death zone, strong enough to fry spacecraft electronics and endanger astronauts within hours. Any future missions must be shielded like submarines in space, just to survive. But Jupiter's destructive force might have helped protect us. Its gravity acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, pulling in or flinging away asteroids and comets that could have otherwise struck Earth. In a way, Jupiter may be the guardian of our planet. NASA's Juno spacecraft is rewriting everything we thought we knew, capturing stunning images, mapping magnetic fields, and peering beneath the clouds. And soon, the Europa Clipper will launch, set to explore one of Jupiter's most intriguing moons in search of alien life. The questions are endless. Can life exist beneath Europa's ice? Could we someday build bases in orbit? What secrets does Jupiter still hold? Jupiter is not just a planet. It's a colossus, a force of nature, a mystery we are only beginning to unravel. In its clouds, we find storms older than history. In its moons, we find oceans that may shelter life. And in its gravity, the shaping hand of the solar system itself. This is Jupiter, the king of planets. Thanks for watching.